going to get? Good. 5x squared y. Then what? Minus 10 xy squared. Very good. Okay, good. Review. All right. So now we're going to reverse that process. Okay. So here we had 2, and we were going to multiply it together, right? Today they're going to give us 1, and we're going to divide it up. Okay. So factoring is basically taking out or dividing spell today, almost as good as your guys' spelling on yesterday's quiz. Good thing I didn't take off for spelling for quadratic. Okay, we're taking out or dividing. Today is going to be the greatest common factor, or the GCF, okay, out of our polynomial. Okay. If it can't be factored, we call it prime. All right, so let's practice some of these. Okay, I've got to look at both of my terms, the 3x and the 12. What number can both of those be divided by? The 3, good. Okay, not the 3x, and you know why not the x? Is there an x in both of them? There's not, so just the 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the 3 and we're going to write it. Write it down. Okay, and then we're going to use a set of parentheses. Put your parentheses. When I take 3x divided by 3, what do I get? Just x. Yep, or 1x, but we're just going to put x. Plus, what's 12 divided by 3? 4. And parentheses. Anybody know how we can check to see if this is right? Multiply, right? And your answer is this guy right here. But if I were to multiply this, what's 3 times x? 3x. Plus, what's 3 times 4? 12. Did you do it right? Thumbs up. Okay? So, looking at number 2, Vanessa, we're going to take out both of them. 7. Okay? I'm going to take out my 7. Okay, so 7y divided by 7, what do I get? Yeah, I'm going to have y. You're right. 7. Minus. Oh, look at you guys. I thought for sure I'd hear a 0. You're right. It's a 1. Because 7 divided by 7 is 1. Very good. Okay. Let's jump down to number 6. Okay, so I'm not going to make you do all of these examples today, because I think you're going to get the hang of it, and then we're going to do a little activity. Okay? So look at the coefficients first. Look at your 4 and your negative 24. What can come up? 4. Yeah, they both can be divided by 4. Okay? Now you've got to look at your variable. Do they both have y's in them? They do. So what should I take out? Can I take out a y or a y squared? Just a y, yeah. You're going to end up taking out the lowest exponent. So in this case, it's a 1. So we're going to take out a y. So if I take 4 divided by 4, what do I get? Just 1. If I take y squared divided by y, I get just y. Good. Minus 6 And if I take y divided by y, what happens to those y's? They cancel out, and I can end my parentheses. Not so bad? All right, so let's get some harder ones. Let's kind of challenge ourselves a little bit. Let's look at 7. And what can I take out of both of them? What number, if I'm looking at coefficients? Got 3. They both can be divided by 3. Is there a variable that can come out of both of them? D. Good. Okay, so Jaden, if I take a 3D out of 21CD, what do I have left? 7C. Good. Minus what, Trayton? Huh? 1. Good. 3D divided by 3D gives us 1. Good job. All right, now I'm going to number 9. What number can come out of both 15 and 30? 15. Good. So we're taking out a 15. Is there an A in both of them? Yep. So I can take out an A. Is there a B in both of them? Yep. So I can take out a B. So Izzy, if I take out 15AB out of that first part, what do I have left over? Just an A. Good. Good. Because 15 divided by 15 is 1. A squared divided by A is just A, yep. And then B divided by B gives us 1, yep. Minus just 2, good. And then my A's and my B's are going to cancel. Excellent work. Flip the page. Let's get to the good stuff. Maximums. 18 and 48. Good. Anybody can come up with a higher one than 6? Nope, I would agree with that. All right, so now I have an A squared and an A. What can come up? Just the A, yep. Do I have a B in both of them? Okay. All right, now with my C's, I have a C squared and a C cubed. I can take C squared, good. Okay, C squared is the smaller of the two, so I can take it out. Okay, parentheses, 18 divided by 6, 3. A squared divided by A. What happens with my B's? They cancel. What happens with my C's? They cancel. All right. Minus 8. Good. What am I looking at? Okay, so my A's do what? Cancel. My B's cancel. C cubed divided by C squared? Just C. Very good. All right. Look at 18. We've got 12, 36, and 6. Rebecca? 6. Good. So we're taking on 6. Oh, maybe. All right, taking on 6. We've got A to the 5th, A to the 4th, and A squared. Sam, what do you think can come out? A squared, good. The smaller of the 3. And then I have B squared, B cubed, and B squared. Marissa? B squared, good. All right, so now we've got to do all 3 of them. 12 divided by 6, 2. 8 to the third. Do I have any b's left? Nope, these are all gone. So minus 36 divided by 6. 6. A squared b, good. Minus, who? Why 1? Yeah, because everything cancels out, and 1 is going to be our placeholder. Okay? Everybody do number 20. Okay? So look at your coefficients. 18, 24, and 36. 6 comes out. Okay? Now you're looking for x's. Is there an x in all 3 terms? No. So that means I can't take out an x, because it's got to be in all 3 of them. Okay? Is there a y in all 3 of them? No. So I can't take out a y, because it's not in all 3. Is there a z in all 3? Yeah. Yes. So I know I can take out a z. Okay? So I've now taken out everything that I can take out. Now I just got to figure out what I have left over. Okay? So 18 divided by 6, I have 3. And then what do I have? I didn't take out an x or a y, so I still have x squared and y minus 4. Okay, did I take out an x? Nope, so that stays. Did I take out a z? Yeah. So what do I have left over? Z. Plus 6. Did I take out a y? No. So that stays. I took out one of my z's. What do I have left over? Z squared. Okay, not super easy, right?
So
you can take it out. Yep, you can divide by it. Okay, so but it has to be in all 3 terms. Okay, good question. So let's take a look at everybody do number 23. All right, out of my coefficients is 5. All right, a squared, a, and a. What's the highest a I can take out? Just the a, yep. Because there's not an a squared in either one of these. Is there a b in all 3 of them? Nope, so I can't take that out. So, times 7a minus, good, 4b squared plus 3. Good job. Okay, much better. All right, so what I need